Now we're in that way, now we're in that way, and we'll step on the gas.
Patrick's garage.
My rubber carpets, very old. They're not great, but they're not horrible, and they're not ugly either. And today I continue to work on the washing of rubber carpets. I'm going to try to wash them with water, with soap, and they're not so dependable as regular carpet. And you know, dust is a huge problem for regular carpet. Rubber carpet you can clean with rag. And undoubtedly, rubber carpets are very easy in maintenance. I've done videos in the past about washing rubber mats. I don't know of anything better than wash them with water and soap. I go into it in detail in this video and in my last video. We might think twice before removing carpet because we can easily damage them. These rubber carpets are extremely rare and exceedingly valuable for me.
Here we go!
And we can find a lot of controversy how to repair rubber carpets. And I think would be enough piece of rubber and glue. And you can say you'd be better to buy the new one. Yes, would be better to buy the new one. I agree with that entirely. But we can't find them even online today. And today we'll went with cheap road, with repairing as I like, as always. I think we all can agree by and large that rubber can't serve for us forever. And we shouldn't walk with glue in a garage. It's not unsafe as far as I'm concerned. Now one's coming, nobody behind us, and here we go!
Horrible bridge, very dangerous for driving on it. Dangerous bridge, make sure to keep an eye on it. We're a little slowly now. Not going to slide all over the bridge. So without further ado, let's continue to talking about our rubber carpets. You know, at the corners from inside rubber carpets, pieces of rubber. They added them to rubber carpet, maybe as an enhancement or fortification. And it contrary to regular carpets with smooth surface inside. And of course, as a result, we have different attitudes and thoughts about different carpets. Yes, rubber, a little smell, not stinky, but regular carpet accumulate dust. So it's better to clean our regular carpets very often. And you had better to use vacuum cleaner for regular carpet. Rubber carpet we can clean with rag. Sand from river from desert can get inside a regular carpet.
And water goes through the rubber carpet and salt, and snow melts and water goes on the floor. And as a result, rusty floor. And you know, I find regular carpet for rare passengers. I had better to clean it. Now it's a rarity even for junkyards. So I get rare carpet from 240 series. and I think there is no other way out of it. Anyway, the first thing you have to do is to clean it. We can make vacuum cleaning, we can washing it. It depends on what you want to do. Sailors didn't bother clean it. And we can say good carpets come out of dirty carpets too. Now let's look at rubber carpet condition. Original seats, like from magazine. So my carpet in lot of places warm. Cracks on the surface of rubber carpet just from the edge and from the sun. Just not parking at the sun all the time. And of course rust. We see rust under the gas pedal. Snow and salt from boots leaks under the gas pedal. Snow melts. Look at the central part of the rubber carpet. We're moving seat and we can see good access to look more closely. Open this idiot steel cover. In earlier models here was heater ways for rear window. Here floor design in any case is the same like in earlier models. Now we take our rubber carpet out and we see that floor was restored by previous owners, maybe. And my plan now to clean rubber carpet. Need avoid water under the carpet. So anyway, we need to wash our rubber carpet first of all. And now you'll see how easy to clean rubber carpet. And you can gladly do it yourself maybe. It's not just unwillingness to rid of rubber carpet. We can't find them now. They're not available today. These authentic rubber carpet from the factory. Yes, it has cracks. It's a minor flaw. We continue dabbling with washing our rubber carpet. If this rubber carpet in good condition, it protects our floor from water. Rubber can severely inhibit to sneaky little rust of penetration under the carpet to the floor of our vessel. Rubber carpet protects our floor from rust if it's in good condition. We clean it, common soap and brush and water. It'll dissolve all the dirt in a very short period of time, as you just saw. We wash soap with clean water, but a lot of soap can cause harm. These rubber carpets aren't made to last a really long time if you're parking under the sun all the time. But we not only wash it, we'll repair it. Now you can see the continuous repetition of this washing process, but it leads to desired cleanliness. Yes, I can agree that this condition not intended to rebuild, but we can't buy them now. We always want not only original but nice and snug also. So we save these junky ones. They all have a lot of damage now. And by the way, you can find not rubber but carpet version. I saw a lot of them online. But shipping was very expensive, as it seems to me. Now I can't find even carpet version. So since we washed it, we should restore it. It's bad, that's the problem. To close it, we need a piece of rubber. Surface clean with sandpaper, degreasing. I used super glue. And here also I start repair it. I should say that it's a boring process, but take a patience. And if you find this carpet, buy it fast before the next guy does. Of course, maybe I'm missing something.
So maybe someone in the discussion down below can educate me how to restore and how to clean rubber carpets in the car. And contrary to most common carpets, it's a rubber carpet. So when hot, it can smell. A lot of people had been dreading of stinky rubber carpets, but it's not so horrible. Anyway, a lot of different attitudes about carpets in car. We're also aware that water can't go through rubber. So we continue our old-fashioned tradition to repair something. At least there is no way out of it. Fresh asphalt, by the way. Feel free to give a comments down below if you have any questions or anything.